So today's video is going to be a review on the Goyard St. Marc wallet. So starting off with the box the wallet comes in, as you can see the Goyard logos in silver foil across the front of the box. And then if you look closely you can see the iconic Goyard pattern. The box has no additional branding on it except this made in France wording that's also in silver foil. Inside the box you'll find an envelope with the Goyard logo on it, and inside this is just some information on the wallet. And then also in the box is a microfiber cloth that the wallet came wrapped in when I purchased it. Now that the box is out of the way, here's the wallet itself. As you can see, I have the popular black pattern, and here's the pattern close up. On the front of the wallet, there's Goyard branding in the same colors as the rest of the pattern, and then on the back of the wallet, it's just the pattern with no branding. The inside of the wallet is completely black leather, and the only branding on the inside is the embossed logo on the bottom left. On the left side, there's multiple overlapping panels of leather that make up the 3 card slots. On the right side of the wallet, there's a card slot with a thumb hole so you can easily slide in and out a card. Also on the right side, there's another slot right here that you can also put something in. This wallet's very small in size, which makes it a good choice for everyday carry or if you don't want to carry a bunch of stuff. So that wraps up the review of the Goyard St. Marc wallet. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and thank you for watching.